Welcome to the channel, folks. Metal Car Guy Rich here. Today we're going to do an unboxing of a 1977 Ford Pinto AMT kit in 125 scale. This is part of their U.S. mail edition. I picked this one up at Ollie's just the other day, and we're going to open it up fresh right here for you on the camera. So take the old blade here and slice her open. I was really looking forward to getting this kit. I learned how to drive a stick shift in a 72 Pinto way back in the day, and they've always had a special place in my heart because of that. So here we have this one. Here's the 77 version. Let's see what's going on in there. Nothing on the inside. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me show you the box. I'm so excited to get into this one. There you go. There's kit number AMT 1350M-12. Here's the special features. Pony power. The old full 4-cylinder overhead cam. Some nice decals, all U.S. mail related. That's cool. Look at there. I have to pick that one up if I ever find that one for a decent price. I haven't seen that kit in quite a few years myself. There we go. Alrighty. Alright, first off, folks, we have some chrome parts. Not a whole lot of chrome going on there. Let's see. Open her up with some scissors. And we have wheels, and that looks like a spare tire. Okay. Front and rear bumpers. Oil pan. This here's a little alternator. And what appears to be the oil filler cap. Some lights. And that might be a little shifter. And then something tiny here. I can't really make out what that one is. Alrighty. Next we have a little packet of tires. Boy, they're tiny. Like 13-inch in scale tires. They say BF Goodrich on them. And something else here, I can't make it out. A little too small for me. Wow, those are funny. Yep, they're nice and, you know, medium density, decent looking tread on them. Alrighty. Then we have clear parts. Very nice. Got full side glass here. Wow, that's nice. And then the rear window and the rear quarter panels glass is made right into it, and then the windshield, very nice. So glass all the way around on this one. And the tail lights in red. Naturally, we're going to keep them in the bag to keep them protected. Then we have one bag with the body in it. Oh, nice. This has the opening hatch, or at least it's separate. I don't know if I'm sure you can make it open. That's pretty neat. Chassis, which is in there backwards. All right. Let's see. Here's the body. Decent. Wow, it looks just like the 72 that I learned how to drive in. The stick in. Not too many differences in the years on those, other than the front ends, right? Very nice. Very nice. Decent thickness, decent quality. A little bit of flashing. That's to be expected. Interior tub. Very nice. A couple of mold release pin marks there. We can sand them off. Here's the chassis. Boy, this thing feels so tiny to me compared to the like the 57 Chevy or the Ford truck that I've done recently. Very nice. Let's set that aside. Next we have another bag of molded parts. This appears to be interior stuff. Yep, we have the dashboard. Minimal detail there. Decent looking though. And this here I believe is the it's not a boot, but it's where the shifter goes into. It's the little whatever the thing is called that the shifter goes into. The little box on the console center, the hump by the transmission. Here we have seats, front seats, battery, side mirrors, rear end, suspension, exhaust molded right together. I'm not really sure what these little panels are. We'll figure that out when we get into the instructions. License plate pieces and the steering wheel, which is neat looking. Little stick of flash on there. Something here. Can't really make out what that is. A little too tiny. That was it for that one. We have one more final bag of white parts here. Oh, here we go. This is the front end. Pretty nice looking. Oh my gosh, look at our CB radio. Nice. Big old antenna right here. And another antenna. Unless those are springs for the suspension, but they look like antennas to me. Wheel backings. Something here. Looks like a headrest. And we have the rear hatch, which looks like it just glues in. I didn't see any hinges. The rear seat, the hood, pretty basic hood, a little bit of detail back there. Little tiny little shock absorbers, and what I think are front spindles. And here we have the engine. Very nice. Two halves, fan belt and pulley system, air cleaner, which is really thin. Wow. The four-bladed fan. This looks like the little heater blower system. Oil pan. Some exhaust manifolds, carburetor, and I believe this is supposed to be a starter or a lump of plastic. Your choice. And then two little dots, because we all need a couple little dots in our kits. Here's a firewall and the tiny little radiator core support. That's it for molded parts. Here you have the instructions. The whole before you begin deal, you know, read it over, learn what you're doing. Yep, that one was an oil filler cap, the chrome piece. Little starter, yep. Go over and put your wheels together. Assembly. Oh, it's a catalytic converter, that one little lump that I didn't know what it was. I thought it was a headrest. Catalytic converter. Yeah, that's just what we want on our little plastic parts, right? CB radio. Nice. Optional, yes. Very cool. Oh, console. They call it the console, the part that the shifter goes into. But that actually, the handbrake, that's what that other piece was that I didn't recognize. Okay. Handbrake, so there's no shifter. Or is that it here? Okay, it's it here. Shifter was a little chrome piece. Very interesting. Okay. Hatchback rear door. You have to make your own hinges, I guess, because it looks like it just glues on here if you want it to open. And slap it all together and put some decals on it, it looks like. Not a whole lot to the kit, but boy, I'm going to have a blast building one of them. I bought two of them, and the first one I'm going to build to the best of my memory that I can recall of how the 72 Pinto was that I learned how to drive a stick shift in. I'm going to try and recreate that car. Shouldn't be too hard. It was mostly yellow and rust, so we'll be alright. It was the pre-explosion days of the Pinto fame, you know. And here we have the decals. Nice sheet of decals. Wow, really nice. AMT did a nice job on this one here. Yep, a couple of Michigan plates, New York, and Illinois. Yep. Both the left and the right side decals for that, and same here. A couple of options. Speedometer stuff, very nice. Very cool, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed that one. Stay tuned for the build on this one. It'll probably be a few days, and I'll get to working on this one. I'm kind of undecided about what I want to build right now. I completed the 57 Chevy not too long ago, and I'm in the middle of remodeling a little bit of my work area here to help give me a little bit more room. But then we're going to get right on to the builds. So, hope you guys all had a good time and enjoyed yourself, and have a great day. Like, share, comment, and subscribe if you would, and tell somebody about this channel. And I appreciate every one of you. And thank you for the communications with some of my subscribers. You guys are great. And have a great day. Thank you.